The energy transition is progressing, taxes and reallocation charges are increasing. Therefore, consumers have to realize cost reductions by establishing production flexibility. The VR scene wants to show the potential of understanding energy flexibility available in manufacturing plants. This deals with the visualization of various types of data. Let's start with the scene overview with all components. Price chart. Time slider. Status light. Material box. Lathe with the milling tool. User guide. Process and cost chart. Now we will go through the scene step by step. Before we start, check your equipment. Everything is fine, let's start. First, turn around and select your time slot. Here we see the electricity price for the next 24 hours. Updated daily at 2 p.m. The recommendation light is red. This means that our currently selected time range is in the upper price segment. Let's find an area with a better range and see what kind of recommendation we get. The recommendation light is green. Let's produce some parts. Secondly, choose the material for production. Let's see what materials are available. Okay. Let's take steel. Move back and look at the next steps. Open the door. Take your workpiece, which is made of your chosen material, and place it in the left spindle of the lathe. Close the door. To begin the rotation process, press the green play button under the user guide. Open the door to take the finished workpiece. That looks nice. Place it in this box for an analysis. On the diagram you can see the total energy consumption of the process. The electricity costs are calculated. It also calculates the daily maximum and minimum price for this operation. Thanks for watching. See you soon.